3 years after launch, is the Ninja NeverDull knife set still worth buying in 2025? Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because we are cutting through the hype to find out. Originally marketed as revolutionary kitchen tech, the real question is whether this innovation holds up after years in the market. Here's what we've learned after 3 years of real-world testing. The built-in ceramic sharpening wheels genuinely work. You slide each knife through the slots in the block and get factory-sharp edges in seconds. But long-term user reviews reveal the system's biggest weakness. Those ceramic wheels wear down faster than Ninja originally claimed. The German stainless steel construction remains solid. These aren't cheap stamped blades. Professional reviews from 2025 still praise the initial quality and balance, comparing them favorably to knife sets costing twice as much. The steel itself hasn't degraded over the years. But here's the 2025 reality check. That 10-year guarantee? Users are now reporting ceramic wheel replacements needed after 18 to 24 months of regular use. Ninja quietly started selling replacement sharpening cartridges, which wasn't part of the original marketing pitch. Early adopters also discovered the sharpening slots require perfect technique. Inconsistent angles can actually chip your blades, and the bulky block dominates counter space in smaller kitchens. These weren't deal breakers in 2022, but better alternatives have emerged. In 2025, the value proposition has shifted. You're still getting decent German steel and working sharpening technology, but with hidden replacement costs and technique requirements that weren't fully transparent initially. For busy home cooks who mastered the sharpening technique and don't mind eventual cartridge costs, the system still delivers convenience. But newcomers might find better value in traditional knife sets paired with separate electric sharpeners. The NeverDull concept remains clever, but it's no longer the revolutionary, no-maintenance solution it claimed to be in 2025.